So what do we do next?
Then we then you melt butter. Then you just spray it. Then you just spread. You get sugar, and then you spread it around with the tray.
Okay.
And then there.
Okay, so let's go ahead and put the pineapple. So you put one.
There.
Okay, go.
But here's the thing. Don't think that we're just doing it the wrong way. Don't think about that.
Okay.
You'll see later. It's the right way, though. I'm just telling. Get off!
Yeah, use your finger.
It's okay if sugar gets on it. You can just reuse the stuff that you have.
So what are you making?
Upside down pineapple cake. Don't be too worried that your sugar gets on. Don't be too worried about that.
Okay, very good. How many more do you have?
Huh?
How many more do you have?
I only have 3.
Okay.
We have 2 stores. We have one more as a spare.
Okay.